Hello there, my friends. I just wanted to show you a tip of the day on your Android phone. This happens to be a Galaxy Note 9, but this will work on almost all Galaxy phones and Android phones. So basically, who uses their phone to make phone calls anymore, right? It's all text, sometimes email, apps. But if you do, interestingly, so you go down here and use this unused button that I never use. Press that button, and up comes a list of your recent callers, right? So if you go to keypad, so press that there, and then go ahead and press the dial button. Don't punch any numbers, just press the dial button. The last number that called you is in there, right? The last number that called you. See, I did not dial this number. This is obviously a telemarketer's number, so hey, go ahead, call them. Tell them I sent you. And so we can go back and we can go into our recents, right here. And you can see that that number is the same number as when we go to the keypad and press the dial number. So you can just dial that. So, all right, everyone, have a great day. Smash like for me, and don't forget to call that telemarketer and tell them I said hello. Yeah, if this helped you, go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more, and see if you can do something nice for somebody today without getting caught. Take care.